health benefits of drinking cloves, and cinnamon water. What if one simple evening drink could quietly transform your health from the inside out? Most people reach for tea, coffee, or juice without thinking twice about what their body actually needs. But there is one ancient remedy that modern science keeps validating time and time again. It requires just 2 ingredients sitting in most kitchens right now: cloves and cinnamon. Tonight, we are going to change the way you think about your evening routine forever. For thousands of years, both cloves and cinnamon have been cornerstones of traditional medicine worldwide. Ancient Ayurvedic and Chinese healers used these spices to treat everything from fevers to digestion. What makes them extraordinary is not just individual power, but the synergy they create together. When steeped in warm water and consumed in the evening, their compounds become highly bioavailable. The body absorbs their active ingredients more efficiently during rest and overnight recovery phases. Cloves are dense with eugenol, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Cinnamon carries cinnamaldehyde and cinnamic acid, which influence metabolism, blood sugar, and brain function. Together, they create a drink that works while you sleep, quietly and consistently rebuilding your health. Science has now confirmed what traditional healers practiced instinctively for generations across the world. So, let's break down exactly what happens in your body when you drink clove and cinnamon water every evening. Benefit number 1, regulates blood sugar levels. Cinnamon is one of the most well-researched natural agents for managing blood sugar effectively. It works by improving insulin sensitivity, which helps cells absorb glucose from the bloodstream faster. Cloves also contribute by slowing digestion, which prevents sharp spikes in blood sugar after meals. Drinking this combination in the evening helps stabilize overnight glucose levels during the fasting period. For people managing prediabetes or insulin resistance, this evening habit can make a measurable difference. Benefit number 2, reduces inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation is silently linked to dozens of serious diseases we face in modern life. Eugenol in cloves is a potent anti-inflammatory compound that suppresses key inflammation-causing enzymes effectively. Cinnamon contains polyphenols that reduce the production of inflammatory markers in the blood. Drinking this water at night gives these compounds time to circulate and act during deep sleep. Over time, this consistent anti-inflammatory action can relieve joint pain, bloating, and general body fatigue. Benefit number 3, supports healthy digestion and gut function. Both cloves and cinnamon have long been used to calm digestive discomfort and improve gut motility. Cloves stimulate the secretion of digestive enzymes that break down food more efficiently after dinner. Cinnamon reduces gas, bloating, and stomach cramps by relaxing the muscles in the intestinal walls. Drinking this warm water in the evening helps soothe the gut after the day's last meal. Regular consumption supports a balanced gut microbiome, which is central to overall health and immunity. Benefit number 4, strengthens the immune system. A strong immune system depends on consistent nutritional support from antioxidants and antimicrobial compounds daily. Cloves contain one of the highest antioxidant concentrations of any spice measured on the ORAC scale. These antioxidants neutralize free radicals that damage immune cells and weaken the body's natural defenses. Cinnamon adds immune-boosting properties by fighting bacteria and viruses at the cellular and microbial level. Drinking this combination nightly builds a cumulative immune shield that becomes stronger with consistent use. Benefit number 5, promotes better sleep quality. The evening timing of this drink is not arbitrary. It is actually designed to enhance sleep. Cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar throughout the night, which prevents the cortisol spikes that disrupt sleep. Cloves contain magnesium, a mineral known to calm the nervous system and promote restful sleep cycles. The warm water itself signals the body to begin relaxing and transitioning towards sleep mode naturally. People who drink this consistently often report falling asleep faster and waking up more refreshed overall. Before we continue, I want to hear from you. Are you already a fan of cloves and cinnamon? Let me know in the comments below. Benefit number 6, supports heart health and circulation. Cardiovascular health is influenced by inflammation, cholesterol, and blood vessel function on a daily basis. Cinnamon has been shown in studies to reduce LDL cholesterol and triglyceride levels in the blood. Cloves improve blood circulation by promoting the dilation of blood vessels and reducing arterial stiffness. Together, they help lower blood pressure and reduce oxidative stress that damages arterial walls over time. Drinking this water each evening is a gentle but powerful daily investment in long-term heart health. Benefit number 7, aids in weight management and metabolism. Weight management is not just about calories. It is deeply connected to metabolism and hormonal balance. Cinnamon boosts thermogenesis, meaning it increases the body's heat production and overall calorie burning rate. Cloves help suppress appetite by slowing gastric emptying, keeping you feeling satisfied longer after eating. Drinking this warm water in the evening reduces late-night cravings and unnecessary snacking before bed. Over weeks and months, this habit supports a healthier metabolic rate and more stable body weight. Benefit number 8, detoxifies the liver and kidneys. The liver and kidneys are the body's primary filters, working continuously to remove toxins from circulation. Cinnamon supports liver detoxification by activating enzymes responsible for flushing out harmful compounds efficiently. Cloves have diuretic properties that encourage the kidneys to filter waste and excess fluids more effectively. Drinking this water in the evening allows these organs to begin a cleansing cycle during overnight rest. A healthier liver means better fat metabolism, hormone processing, and energy production throughout the day. Benefit number 9, improves oral health and freshens breath. Oral health is more connected to overall systemic health than most people fully appreciate or realize. Eugenol in cloves has been used in dentistry for decades due to its powerful antibacterial properties. It kills the oral bacteria responsible for tooth decay, gum disease, and persistent bad breath effectively. Cinnamon also carries antimicrobial properties that target harmful microbes in the mouth and throat lining. Drinking this water every evening naturally rinses and disinfects the oral cavity before you sleep. Benefit number 10, enhances skin health and slows aging. The health of your skin reflects what is happening inside your body far more than topical products. Antioxidants in both cloves and cinnamon fight the oxidative stress that accelerates visible skin aging daily. Cloves promote collagen synthesis by protecting existing collagen from enzymatic breakdown in the deeper skin layers. Cinnamon improves circulation to the skin, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to cells during overnight repair. Consistent use of this drink can lead to clearer, firmer, and more radiant skin over time. Dear viewers, now you have seen exactly what 2 humble kitchen spices can do when combined with intention and consistency. There is no complicated preparation. Just steep a few cloves and a cinnamon stick in hot water. Drink it warm, about 30 to 60 minutes before bed, and allow time to do the rest. The results are not overnight miracles, but with consistency over weeks, the changes become undeniable and real. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel for more videos on health and wellness. Until next time, stay healthy and stay happy.